Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the hanging and lagging problem on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To fix this issue, just open settings, then tap on display. From here, just tap on motion and smoothness, and from here just make sure you select high, then tap on apply. After you do that, then go back, then tap on device care. From here, just tap on storage. Now from here, just make sure that your device's storage is not full. If the storage is full on your Samsung phone, just delete any data or any app which you no longer use to free up some space. After that, just go back and tap on memory. Then tap on clean now. After you do that, then go back. In the main settings page, just tap on accessibility. Tap on vision enhancements. And from here, just enable reduce animations. After that, just enable the toggle for reduce transparency and blur. Now for the next step, just go back to the main settings page and tap on software update. Tap on download and install. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone. After you do that, then go to your home screen and reboot your Samsung phone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Then tap on the power icon and select restart. Now, if you have done all of that and if this did not fix your issue, then open settings and tap on about phone. From here, just tap on software information, then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on OK. After you enable developer options on your Samsung phone, then go back to the main settings page and tap on developer options. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on background process limit. Tap on background process limit. Now instead of standard, just select at most 2 processes. After you do that, then in the settings app, you will find the option for running services. And over here, you will find all the apps which are running in the background. Now just select the app which you don't want to run in the background. For example, I will select this app, then tap on stop. And once you do that, you will stop the selected app from running in the background. Just like that. And this is how you can fix the hanging and lagging problem on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.